Hey guys, so just a real fast update here. We did do a break breathe under this trend line, and I didn't take it because it's in garbage area. Although it was a good entry, it didn't flip flop too much. So we are coming down here. Um, so what's happened here, right where it's at, if we're going to go up, if we use prior market, we go right up into where I want to take a trade down. So fib wise, we're lining up just great. Now the other thing that could happen, which is good too, is we could come down into this entry. Now we've added an extra fib here, so if we just run this and we go to the 2618, we are sitting at 24.92. So I really like that. And I didn't like it before because it didn't line up with my L3 and my pivot, but you remember we've got a break breathe happening here. And why else did I like it? Oh yeah, the H4. So in the H4 you see the overall trend, right? So it could be a touchdown for a break breathe, and then going up and making higher highs is exactly what I would expect coming out of this level. Now if it gets real tough, well, we could get a bounce on the L3 pivot, which is at 24.64, but now we're looking at coming down to about here, which I don't like. So if we get down into this area, it's not going to be nice because the 4-hour will start to look ugly. I'm a little zoomed out here, but let's zoom in and take a look at what I'm talking about. So if we come down to the trend line, that's 24.92. It's exactly what I want. Especially if it happens on the next candle, which is closing in 15 minutes. So if it comes down, it gives us a spike, it's going to motor, or should motor our way. So I like that. If we come down lower than that in the next candle to hit our next target, which is the pivot in the L3, we've actually broken back down the trend line, and we've coming below the 3x3 and the 4-hour. So these are alarm bells for the daemon. I don't like it. We're not in the RSI overbought. We're not in the CCI is not out the roof. Our MACD is trending up nicely out of the zero. We've got lots of room to go up. So I really like my trade up at this point if we're going to go up. And again, what I'd really like is to get my L4 target, H4 target, which is at triple top, right? So if it takes a while, it could be a little higher. And we'll get fibs in there telling us where to go. But if you just get out at H4, which is 25.60, that's pretty nice. I like it. If you want to be, prudent, you can get out at the H3 again. But I like that trade. If it gets through there, I don't like this trade anymore, so I'm going to kill it. That's how much I don't like it anymore. It may still happen, whatever. But it's a little bare for me at this stage. Now, if we do something where we go over and touch the upper target first, so we come up out of here, so basically we break right here. We break up here, breathe, and we go up into this target, well, then we can revisit our targets down here, because that's a different story, and we might needle out of this area, and that's a completely different story. Anyway, this is getting longer than I was hoping, so I'm just going to throw this up so you guys see how I like this trade and why, and how I continue to take my earlier levels or my bigger levels and watch for confluence in the 5-minute. There we are. Okay, see you later. Bye.